Hi Chara, agus fáilte chuig an bhís an seo le Let's Learn Irish. My name's Alana, and today we're going to be talking about the counties within the province of Connacht in Ireland. The Irish for the province of Connacht is Cúige Chonnacht. Cúige Chonnacht. Tá cúig chontae I Cúige Chonnacht. There are 5 counties within the province of Connacht, as follows: County Galway, Contae na Gaillimhe, County Leitrim, Contae Liatroma, County Mayo, Contae Mayo, County Roscommon, Contae Roscommon, and finally County Sligo, Contae Shligigh. I'll say the 5 counties for you again and we'll say them together. County Galway, Contae na Gaillimhe, County Leitrim, Contae Liatroma, County Mayo, Contae Mayo, County Roscommon, Contae Roscommon, and finally County Sligo, Contae Shligigh. Agus sin é a chairde. In this video today, we're just after learning the 5 counties within the province of Connacht. For more information and more tutorials, please be sure to join our online Irish community, letslearnirish.com. Bí Gaillimhe.